The 12th paragraph, यहाँ से last से 5th line है, that apart non-fulfillment of the terms of compromise cannot be the basis of granting or cancellation of bail. The grant of bail under the Criminal Procedure Code is governed by the provision of Chapter 12 of the Code of Provision. Herein does not contemplate either granting of bail on the basis of assurance of a compromise or cancellation of a bail for violation in terms of such compromise. What the court has to bear in mind while granting bail is what is provided for in Section 437 of the Code. In our opinion, having granted the bail under the said provision of law, it is not open for the trial court or the high court to cancel the same on the ground alien to the ground mentioned for cancellation of bail in the said provision of law.
How is it applicable?
Very specifically saying that any compromise would not directly affect.
It would not be ground for cancellation.
No, it is not only mentioning. I not may take permission of that. I have already made one.
Yeah, but then.
एमएनसी हुई है, मल्टीपल इंजरीज है, थ्योरी रिपोर्ट भी पॉजिटिव है। यहाँ जब तो यहाँ तलवार एवं चाकू से उसके छोटे आना संभव है। हाँ, घायलों को आई छोटे प्राण घातक हो सकती है थ्योरी रिपोर्ट में।
आपने परसों से वेरिफिकेशन करने के लिए बोला था एफिडेविट का, उसमें एफिडेविट का वेरिफिकेशन करवाया था आपने, फाइल किया उस एफिडेविट का।
ये अमन का है सर, और कंप्लीमेंट प्रतीक है।
चोट तो अमन को लगती है, 307 तो अमन भी बना है, वो एफिडेविट दे रहा है, तो मेरे को कोई आपत्ति नहीं है अगर कुछ अमन पे दिया जाए।
आपको बता दीजिए, आपको ऑर्डर कर देंगे, इसको तो लगाइए तो ये निकल जाते हैं।
That both the brothers are standing here. Pratik is also here. Aman is also here. Aman who has sustained the injury, and Pratik has also sustained, but the complainant is Pratik itself. Both are here.
The factor of compromise under Section 320 it is that the person who has sustained the injury. 307 has been registered for Aman, not for Pratik. Pratik का 324 आपने कहा है, 324 तो वैसे ही अवेलेबल हुआ। आपने हमको जेल के अंदर रखा हो 307 के मुकदमे के लिए, जो जिसके बारे में कहा जाता है कि अमन को चोट पहुंचाई। अमन आपके समक्ष एफिडेविट देता है और बोलता है कि क्यों भी घटना हो गई, उसके बाद में सारी चीजें हो गई। Now the whole question is, now whether in these circumstances these persons should remain in jail, they are not criminals. So he was after the daughter, the father saw the daughter, on which certain at that particular spur of moment, the sector was assaulted the gentleman. Now he has caused that injury to that particular person, and he has the person who has sustained the injury is before the court making a statement, and this affidavit has been got verified by the police even. The verification report has come. They say the police say that he has given the affidavit, and he is also present in the court. He can come and make a statement. ये है अमन जिसने एफिडेविट दिया, जिसके संदर्भ 307 पे कायम करना था। मैं पीछे रहा हूँ।
My last single submission would be binding.
Let us instead of opposing the bail application, sir, what the Supreme Court says. The Supreme Court says that if certain thing has happened in bad blood, हम मीडिएशन के प्रति के वो जाने की बात करते हैं। The High Court and the Supreme Court every day says that there should be mediation. Now, when the family themselves have mediated, where is the question? The good officers of an advocate should be utilized so as to resolve the dispute, not to create misunderstanding and to make it a bigger issue. Now, over here, इनकी शादी हो गई, kindly see, बाहर में भी दिया, शादी हो गई, सब कुछ हो गया. Certain thing had happened because father got enraged or the brother got enraged, he has assaulted one person. The person जिसको चोट लगी वो आपके समझ आके बोल रहा है कि साहब अगर छोड़ दिया जाता, ultimately a family of a couple would be affected. So now today, if these persons remain in jail, what is going to happen, sir? अपन देखते हैं। अमन जाके अदालत में गवाही देगा कि मेरे को इसमें आज की तारीख में यहाँ तो आपको समझ आ गई। इससे देर तो what is the purpose of bail? The purpose of bail is not to keep someone in jail as a measure of punishment. What is to be seen after investigation पूरा हो गया, the man has remained in jail, he has already gone to jail, आप उसका रिमांड फिर ले नहीं रहे, आपका सब कुछ पूरा हो चुका, now mere formality is there, but the formality is that the trial is to go on. Or does anybody say that the witness has been tampered? Nobody says so. He himself comes before this court and makes a statement. And it is what is the reason he इनके बीच की शादी हो चुकी. The document has been filed in the marriage certificate. If lordship the guy have to kindly see to the marriage certificate with the John record. The marriage certificate is said to have taken place on 7/3/2024. Or this has taken place with these persons were in jail. Just a moment now. Just a moment now. Now kindly see. अब ये घटना घट गई. घटना के बाद में हुआ 7/3 को इन्होंने शादी कर ली. Now today आज आपने इनकी bail application don't be lodged or doesn't consider rejects the bail application. What is going to happen? क्या है इनके बीच में कभी मधुर संबंध बन जाएंगे सर? उसको मैं शादी कर ली. We say that if a daughter goes to a different person's house, वहाँ पे शादी होने के बाद में efforts are to be made. उनकी दोनों घर reconcile होकर आए. There is something which has happened for which these persons are in jail for approximately 2 months now. These persons are in jail ever since 31/6/24, 2 महीने से ज्यादा हो चुके. And lordship are not refusing bail as a measure of punishment. और ये भी कहते हैं कि that these persons are criminals. Criminal तो है नहीं आपके साथ. Ultimately, now what is the reason? The elder brother doesn't want इनके बीच में reproachment हो. This is all the dispute which is going on before this court. The elder brother, जो शादी कर रहे हैं वो they don't want to accept. Now, kindly answer, what happens to that girl who's got married and staying in their house? Under what circumstances this girl would be living? One brother, the husband is there. Husband says, "Chalo, I want to resolve this dispute." Now, the good offices of a lawyer should be utilized. We should have worked on it, make efforts in case of enforcement problems, rather than opposing a bail application before this found. It is not that lodgers would be refusing bail. This is the last level for 90%, 95% people. High Court is the last court. It is only those 2% people who can approach the Supreme Court. Now, these are not those people जो आपके समक्ष हैं. And ultimately, आज ही चोट आई, चोट नहीं आई, 3 साल बनेगा, नहीं बने, that's a matter to be considered over there. What lodgers are considering today is whether इनको बाहर रखना चाहिए अंदर. That is the conversation.